SBRodds.com. SBR Drew, JJ Gold. Hey boys, back in the country, missed the bash. Amazing pictures. JJ Gold made it out there. I was in South Africa. A little jet lag, but did a workout. Just got done with the workout. Got a clear mind. Wrote down a couple plays. More freaking Deadbolt. Wait, don't have my notebook. Where'd I put my notebook? Got some big plays, boys. We like the Pittsburgh Pirates tonight, representing Pittsburgh, Steel City. I don't think I have my notebook over here. I'll leave it upstairs. And we're taking the dog, Trevor Williams, tonight's pitcher. One of the most underrated pitchers in the league. Look at his ERA, look at his whip. He gets things done. Find a notebook here. I don't have the numbers, but I took the money line and the money line and the under first 5 and plus 1.5 to cover the money line to win, and then sprinkle it on the reverse run line, Pittsburgh minus 1.5. And I do not know where I put that notebook because I have one other play. But okay, I'm gonna keep that play to myself. Post it in the thread, but unless I put it in here. Slam the Pirates every which way. They're gonna get done. The bats are coming back alive. I'm gonna get ready. Got a fantasy draft tonight. TT Warrior, big man on campus. Follow him on Twitter. Peace, boys.